Do you know you can book a German class within 5 minutes? Let's show you today how it's done. So if you're living in Germany and you want to do German language classes, there are many possibilities that you can do. You can go to institutions, but which things help me a lot is VHS. So you can search Google VHS and then your city name. For me, it will be Erlangen again. And then you have this one and you can go to Sprache. And after that, you will have Deutsch als Fremdsprache. And here is the catch. They also selected the niveau which you are in. So if you're in beginner, so I would highly recommend A1 and A2, doing A1 and A2, and you know a basic German and grammatics, I would highly recommend doing the B1 because you will need it anyways. So there are a few tips that I will tell you at the end of the video. So here you can select the Abend courses, which are pretty practical for us who are doing masters and at the same time doing a part-time job. So obviously we don't have time all over the day and we cannot skip our classes to learn German, so Abend courses are pretty much practical for us. So you can also search for VHS München and or Nuremberg, and then you can see it over here, Deutsch and integration, and you can find the courses over here. So obviously there are possibilities to select the online courses if you do not want to go over there and then do the courses, and there are also possibilities that which level are you trying to achieve or accomplish. And here you see also the termine, which dates are there and the price of the courses. So basically online courses help me a lot because it's easy and you can have it from anywhere. So yeah, and other thing which are pretty much helped us is like there are many universities which offer language vouchers. So please keep up with your university and ask around if they are placing it. If you're a student living in Germany, you will have maybe 20% or obviously 10% discount from any other language courses if you are a student. And also you can ask your company where you are working as a work student or you are doing a full-time job to if they have any other opportunity that you do the languages, and the company will pay for those courses. So yeah, let's use that 5 minutes and see you on the next video. Cheers.